Today, I'll show you how to add a smooth flash transition between clips to create a dynamic and engaging effect. Let's get started. First, import your videos into the timeline and place them side by side. Now, head over to the transitions panel and search for flash. You'll see multiple flash transition options. Pick the one that fits your style. Drag and drop the transition between your two clips, and just like that, you've added a quick flash effect. If you want to customize it, select the transition and go to the right side editing panel. Here you can adjust the duration by dragging the slider or manually entering a time value. You'll also find transition modes like prefix, overlap, and postfix. Experiment with these to see which works best for your video. If needed, enable the include trimmed frames option for smoother blending. And that's it. You've successfully added a flash transition in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick editing tips.